Looking for a truck that's perfect for work or play? Look no further. This Diamond White Tundra has really low miles and the hard-to-find 5.78-cylinder engine. No truck on the road demands as much respect as the Toyota Tundra CrewMax CAB. The first step in protecting your vehicle purchase is a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Buy this Toyota with confidence knowing we have pulled the CARFAX for you and the history is clean and free of problems. We stand behind our vehicles. Call for details on the ASE Certified Mechanic inspection this vehicle has passed. Save thousands of dollars buying this CrewMax used versus new.